First spin on Cash Express luxury line, $75 on Buffaloes. Let's see if we get some better. Let's continue. And we'll be back when we get some good. Got the train for 30 bucks. $30 each one. More than four, 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 more than four. 150. $5 hit. That's good if you ask me. Let's keep going. We'll be back if we get something better. Got on 375. Trying to get it on 5, but whatever we can. I fill my heart with a luxury line, always purple. Actually green. 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 Train. Jesus Christ. Alright, let's see what purple has for us. Can't complain. It's usually long. It's the mini train. $1 mini, 32 cents, 28 cents. Sometimes they're long, sometimes they're not. What are we gonna do? Oh, not mine. Not long at all this time. Alright, we'll be back if we get something better. 6 free games. On 50 cents a bet. Let's see. Guess so, I'll be back. Alright, that's gonna be it for today. Have a good one.